How to share PowerPoint document presentation as PDF through Bluetooth. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple and easy. Just go to PowerPoint. This is the home page. Click on the document that you want to share, for example this one. Now go to the top here, click on the share option, click on this. Now click on full document option right here, click on PDF here and wait a few seconds until it takes you to this page. Now click on Bluetooth and everything will be done very easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. See you later.